everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nicole Ray, and it is so nice to have you guys here on my channel with me to unveil the brand new BH Cosmetics Sweet Shoppe Collection. Yes, I am wearing it all over my face. I have it on my eyes, I have it on my cheeks, I used it, my blush all the way around, and the glow. You guys are going to die when you see these palettes. That is all, like, I mean, I don't even know what to say because it is epic and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So keep on watching, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel because there is so much more coming, and grab yourself some ice cream to watch this video. It is all ice cream, all sweets, everything that we all want to eat all the time, but we tell ourselves that we shouldn't. But you know what? Today was the day to do it. Okay, so let's get into this look. I am so excited for this collection. You have no idea. So here, I'm gonna show you what this looks like from this point. And then it looks like this on this side. Now let's get into the actual palettes. This is a first full impression, you guys. I have no idea what these palettes look like on the inside, so. These are gorgeous. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is that there's the shimmers on top and then the matte pigments down at the bottom. It doesn't smell like ice cream, but you know, I just had to test that out. Those greens are everything. If you're a green lover, this is your palette. Ooh, you can never go wrong with browns, especially like the gold ones. Bomb! And you have your purples, you have your pinks, your lavenders, your baby pinks, shimmers, and mattes. Oh my God, for all you blue lovers. And then, of course, you guys already know BH Cosmetics always comes out with a brush line along with every collection that they drop, which I love because it's super cute and personalized. So, boom. Sweet Shoppe sprinkles. Oh my God, this is so cute. It has sprinkles on it. The brush handles have sprinkles on them, and the bristles are baby pink. And here we have the brushes, you guys. The handles literally have sprinkles, you guys. Look at that, you guys. And they are so soft. So to make things super fun and interesting and colorful, since it is ice cream and sweet, I want to do colors that people don't normally put together. So I'm going to go with the Sweet Shoppe Cotton Candy palette, and I'm also going to go with the Sweet Shoppe Pistachio palette. So we have our lavenders, pinks, and greens. So first things first, I like to start with a nice base, especially if I know which color I'm going with. So since I'm gonna be going with pinks and purples on the eye, I'm gonna put a purple cream base down. So now that I have my cream base down, I'm gonna go in with the Sweet Shoppe makeup brush number 5. So this is my cream. So the first palette I'm going in with is Sweet Shoppe Cotton Candy. So the first color I'm going to go in with is Light and Airy. And I am using brush number 5. Now I'm going to go ahead and take brush number 6 from the Sweet Shoppe collection, and I am just going to feather out those edges. I'm gonna go in with Carnival. I'm just going to tap that onto the edges here. Okay, so now moving on to my shimmer base, I'm gonna go in with Twirl and Sugar. So now I'm gonna show you guys a little tip and trick of mine, what I like to do when I have any shimmer products that I'm going to be putting on my eyes. I like to use a cream shimmer base. I'm gonna go in with brush number 3 to cut my crease. And I'm just gonna stamp it on. And because I have hooded eyes, I like to bring mine up past my crease, that way it doesn't disappear when I put some lashes on or when I'm looking straight forward. Okay, so now going in with the same brush, I'm going to dip into Twirl. Ooh. Also, I like to take my finger with the product as well and just really stamp that in. I don't know why, but I just feel like it just works really good with shimmer products in your fingers. Okay, so now that I have twirled down on the outer edge for my inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Sugar. It has more of a purple iridescence to it than a pink, so it's a little bit cooler. I just want sprinkles coming down all over me, like just rain some sprinkles, okay? Now that I have my shimmer down right in between these two colors, I'm gonna drop down Sugar Plum. I'm just gonna pop that right in between the shimmer and the matte pigment. Just adds a little bit more depth. Okay, now moving on, I am gonna go underneath my eyes, and that is where I'm gonna go in with the Sweet Pistachio palette. I'm gonna put down a teal cream base underneath my eyes to really hold on to that pigment. Okay, now that I look possessed with my mint green pigment underneath, I'm going to blend that out using the number 7 brush. I'm just gonna blend it out. Don't mind my ugly face. The shade Nutty. I'm going to use a smaller brush. This is the brush number 8, which is normally used for the lips, but because it's underneath my eye, I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna go in with brush number 4. I'm gonna go in with Cone or Cup. Are you a cone or a cup kind of person? I'm both. It depends on the kind of day. If I don't want to get like too messy, then I go for a cup. But then if I don't care, I'm a cone kind of girl all day, every day. I am for this. And now to bring this entire look together, drop your lashes. Okay, okay, okay. Are you feeling it? I'm feeling it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips, and I'm going to use waterproof lip liner, and this is in Earth. And for my lip gloss, to top this off, because this is a fun, it's ice cream, it's colorful, it's youthful, we go with gloss. I'm gonna go in with So Extra, BH Cosmetics. You guys, this is a high shine gloss, and this is in the name So Hydrated. And just to add a little bit of extra pop on the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna go in with Orange Sherbet, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Yum. Now to add just a little bit more color to my face, I'm gonna go in with Cherry on Top, Sunday as my blush, which is this one right here. To apply the blush, I'm going to use brush number 1. Just to add just a little bit more color, I'm gonna go in with Wild Cherry, just like a hint of it. The tiniest, tiniest, tiniest bit. I'm gonna use whatever is left on my brush, and I'm just going to like tap my nose, tap my forehead, tap my chin. Okay, so now that I have all of this, now it is time to glow. I am going to jump into Sugar Cone. I am going to use cookie dough. Are you guys ready for it to just like be glazed like a glazed donut? It's happening. Ready? Ready? Here we go. Oh. Okay, cookie dough. Do you see that? Okay, you guys, so here we have the finished look using the new Sweet Shoppe Collection from BH Cosmetics, you guys. Hi. 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 Sweet Shoppe, but you know what? I mean, orange sherbet, pistachio, cotton candy, everything sounds amazing, but you know what would be even more amazing? If we actually had some ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream. Now that's how you top off a Sweet Shoppe Collection, okay? I want candy. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you guys know every time I drop a brand new video. I love you guys.